Okay, we have a Haas 5-axis CNC Universal Machining Center model UMC 750. Machine serial number is 1,114,098. Machine was new in 2014 and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a Haas control. It has the remote jog handle. Right now we're moving the X. Machine has a TRUNNION rotary table, that's your Z. The TRUNNION table is 24.8 by 19.7. The working surface circular is 19.7. You have 30 inches of X, 20 of Y, and 20 of Z travel. Right there you're seeing the table tilting in the, what is that, considered a W?
This is a B.
A B. Machine also has a 1,000 PSI through spindle coolant system, a Renishaw probe with whips, wireless alternative probe system.
Spindle 2500.
Spindle is running at 2,500 RPM.
5,000.
5,000. Spindle goes up to 12,000 RPM.
7,500.
7,500. That's 12. So it's nice and quiet. Spindle is, by the way, it's a Cat 40 taper, and we have a 40 tool automatic tool changer. Okay, you've seen it simulate a couple of tool changes. Machine has a Hennig chip conveyor. This is original paint. And hey, it's here on our floor. Thanks for watching our video.